I'm a very real professional chef. Today I'm gonna show you how to catch and cook some fish. I did all the cutting and preparing. So here's what your little fish gimmicks will look like. So I did 3 of them for me, myself, and my 3. What kind of fish? Vegetable. Weber's All Natural chicken steak. I am the Duke. A little bit of the garlic. I use a lot. No kissing afterwards. Ew. We spice it up a notch. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra Sean olive oil, am I right? Check it out. I'm gonna take all these veggies, I'm gonna sprinkle them around. Thank you for your service, Philadelphia Flyers. Preheat the gimmick to 370 Fahrenheit. That's American. Trigger warning. 33 minutes. Now we play the waiting game. Did you miss me? Oh, mamma mia, bing bling bling bling. I'm gonna skip all the dressings and I'm gonna eat it and show you just how good it is. Wow. So good. Hey, thanks guys so much for hanging out. I can't wait to cook more for you. You're gonna love it. I can't wait to cook more for you. You're gonna love me. Goodbye.